Only healthy cows produce high-quality milk. But what does it take to sustain good animal health? Cow comfort is a key factor. Barns designed with GEA products ensure that your cows feel good from head to hoof. It all starts with a firm footing. After all, cows are professional milk producers who give their milk several times a day. That means putting up to 800 kilos of weight into motion. For that, they need a clean, non-slip floor that's somewhat flexible and not too hard. That somebody needs to clean up after the cows is obvious. Good lighting design is also important. Cows are diurnal animals and like a lot of light. They also thrive on a constant supply of cool, fresh air. Cows feel their best at temperatures between -5 and 18 degrees Celsius. A variety of barn ventilation systems can be used to maintain an ideal climate throughout the year. Every cow deserves a good, balanced meal, depending on whether she's lactating, not too much and not too little, but just the right amount. Even better when the feed is served fresh and is regularly pushed toward the cow. The generously sized feeding line provides enough space for every cow, regardless of her position in the herd hierarchy. That prevents any disruption to the herd's social harmony. A comfortable barn needs a suitable number of drinking devices. The fresh, clean water is frost protected in winter, so it's wholesome and refreshing even during cold weather. Cows drink water several times a day. Depending on their age, size, and milk production, a total of between 50 and 150 liters per animal. Cows get up and lie down several times during the day. This succeeds smoothly when the cubicle leaves plenty of room for movement and at the same time offers enough freedom for the head. Cows spend nearly half their time lying down. Chewing their cud in a relaxed state is ideal for food and water metabolism. Resting and reclining supports the flow of blood to the udders, stimulating milk production. Bedding material or cow mattresses provide a comfortable spot to lie down. They conserve the heat and prevent joint injury. When it comes to milking time, the barn is extremely flexible. In just a few easy moves, the path is clear to the rotary milking parlor and the cows begin making their way towards it. Movable and extendable separation fences are a welcome aid to manage daily routines for the dairy farmers. Within just minutes, each animal steps onto the milking platform, one after the other. At the rotary parlor, everything revolves around milking. It's a pleasant experience for each and every cow. Animals that show signs of anything out of the ordinary during milking can be examined immediately afterwards in a special area where they can be treated accordingly. In every herd, utmost animal health is the focus of special attention. After milking, the cows head back to the stalls. And whether feeding, drinking, or resting, the whole herd returns to their regular routines. The cattle are in best health in their feel-good barn. And to prove it, the cows match the high level of comfort by producing an equally high level of milk.